Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first we should open the settings, and after that we'll see here the always on display section. Here we tap only once and then click here on the settings icon. Now just to activate always on display, click only once here on this feature. And that's it. You can also set here the start and the end time of the always on display by this way. Also, we can change here the show duration, the AOD from 5 minutes to 60, to change the brightness level. But okay, how to change all of the settings I'll show you in another video, how to customize always on display feature. So just let's check and see that the always on display feature successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.